Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Today's topic is one of the fantastic one. Right now I have Toyota Corolla. This vehicle has a problem with ABS. Look at the dashboard. We have ABS. ABS is the main culprit here. Today I'm going to show you how to solve that. By the way, it's very easy. Before we proceed or before we do anything, right now I have thinker. If you are willing to buy any gadget, this is the best one. Okay, before we proceed, according to this gadget, the problem is C0200, which is front speed sensor circuit, right hand side circuit, right? So according to this fault code, it can be four main things. Number one, the open circuit. The open circuit means if there is any open wire between the ABS sensor and ABS actuator. The second problem can be the ABS itself, ABS sensor itself. Then the last one, but not least, is the ABS actuator or ABS controller. Then finally the ABS turn ring. So those three things is the main culprit according to this information. So let me go and confirm. Stay tuned. So before we proceed, I want to put ignition off, then to go and see. So ring is okay apart from being dirty, so we have to clean that ring first. Then the main problem is the ABS. We have to clear the